Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel today. Look at this, I'm in the house with the Urban EDC F5.5, designed by Jesper Voxnes, here with me for a review, and I'm gonna check it out, guys, for you and share my impressions. This guy comes with this velvety padded pouch. It has like a card in it, but most importantly, hidden into that, you get your bronze coin with this collaboration logo anchor right over here. This is very neat indeed, and it's carrying the serial number because this is a special edition for this little fella right there. Look at that. Let's check it out. This is a beast of a knife, 3-inch long blade with 2.6 inches 7 cutting edge and 4 inches for the handle. Overall, it's just below 7. Just check this out. This is like a large Sebenza 21. This is a small Sebenza 21, just to give you an idea of the size. Not really sure if you care to see a couple more. Here I've got a haptic, here I've got a Spectre. I don't know, is it interesting? I don't know. I'm just gonna show you this couple too. Just peasant options here. Neon NL Shirogorov F3B. I don't know, is it this of any interest to you? I don't know, I think these are right, and I'm just gonna stop boring you with these size comparison things, and let's check this out, guys, because this is a very beefy, cool knife. I like it very much. There's a one thing maybe that I'm not super fond of, a couple, but still it's guys, this is a neat one. This is the production version made in China, $300 version of the VOX custom F5. This is F5.5 to underline the production nature of this fella made in China. But this is an exclusive with bronze scales, thick slab of Elmax steel. It is very interesting and super robust little fella. So the scales are thick brass with a nested titanium liner going on. There is a logo, which is the collaboration, the anchor logo right over there. You can actually see it better in my maintenance video. You have extensive chamfer going on all around, a little bit of inner chamfering as well. There is no internal skeletonization for the titanium liner. There's just some material removal for the actual scales because they have to allocate the liners, but that's about it. You have a very nice finger groove going on right over here, very comfy if you want to hold it like so, or if you want to do a more advanced grip like this. All right, and that's very good. There is also a nice nicely milled titanium backspacer, geared up, sticking out a little bit. It's offering a lanyard hole solution right here at the heel, and it gets up to this point where it's just protecting the blade, the tip of the blade, so you're not able to just snag it to cut yourself. Safely recessed. That's a nice thing to have. The overall look when closed is nice, beefy, tall knife, stout, and it has that overbuilt kind of look. It's hardware. It's not sticking out. It's completely flush with the handles. Also, it's just like completely flush. That's a very cool thing to have. I believe these are T8 Torx bits needed to take this fella apart. Pretty straightforward job, guys. The titanium liner doesn't come with a lock face insert. It has a natural over travel lock bar stabilizer, of course, because it's a liner, but no insert. But I don't feel really any lock stick right here, so that should be pretty good. I believe there's a ceramic detent ball there, but there's no detent ball ramp. That's why you feel a little bit of a hard step when you close the blade. Titanium, tip-up carry only, not reversible, pocket clip, dip carry, look at that. Not too much spring tension, but still works in and out of the pocket nicely, so don't worry about that. It's just like not the best design clip. I mean, it's nice, it's tall, so a lot of fabric can just be there, but the screws are not flush, so some material might be snagged there. You see, they are not flush, they are sticking out, and it's this much knife is going to be showing from your pocket. That's good, but it's a little bit short, you see, and tall, and these two screws sticking out, and just aesthetically not pleasing for me. I mean, this is pleasing, guys. This is Elmax Steel 4mm stock blade, flat grind, modified, ship's foot, full belly, nice finger choil. Pretty thin behind the edge, actually, with a pretty cool plunge grind right over here. Perpendicular belt grind marks. You have advanced jimping right over here, which is an indication that it begs to be just used with an advanced grip, because you can just do some chiseling, some piercing work, some shredding, so you can take advantage of this and have a little bit more advanced grip. Just be sure you don't cut yourself right at that point. This blade is beautiful also because it's sterile looking. You have a hole which is chamfered, which is gonna allow you to do like a reverse flick like that. You can do a thumb flick, of course. Maybe you can even do like a index flick. It's you can do, of course, like that. You can do even like a slow roll, like so. So it's a very versatile knife for when it comes to deployment methods. So pretty cool. Also, the sound is nice. It's not loud. It's a deep thunk, as you can hear. When you close the knife, it's a light tink, so nothing too crazy. Let's see the weight, because this is a honking log. This is 5.85 ounces. So this is a beast of a knife. This is a robust. There's nothing moving. This thing is solid as a rock. Like, you can abuse this thing because of how strong it feels in the hand. So if I'm choking it up, I feel some hot spots going on over here because, of course, look at this. If I'm a little bit more recessed, that's better because this is going to be hiding in the crease of my hand. So for me, it's fine. But if I'm squeezing, I'm getting hit by this area over here, which is pretty sharp. Look at that. So here, it's not ideal. So this side, it's not perfect, and this side also creates a little bit of sharp edges going on. The lock bar is pretty easy to release because it comes with some nice jimped edge and a little bit of real estate to actually access it. I wouldn't probably do any kind of reverse grip because like the handle is too small, but what I'm telling you guys is that this thing is well put together, solid as a rock. It doesn't flex, it doesn't go anywhere. It's just a brick. Like, you can, it's more dangerous if this falls on your foot closed because of the weight. It's a solid one, guys. I'm telling you, very robust, solidly built. It's solid. The clip is not perfect. The action, by the way, is just phenomenal. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's very, very smooth. I love the fact that you can thumb flick it. There's a nice fidget factor. Like, if you don't snag it like that, it has a very nice fidget factor to it, versatile opening. Detent is on the medium to light side, but it's pleasant. It's good. It's solid. It's looking good. I like this little detail over here. It's a nice one. It's an exclusive. It's pretty cool. It has a very cool design. It's a beast and it's small. So love it. There you have it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned.